Welcome back. You're watching round one, the round one action in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Greater Portmore Primary on 3 points and Mona Heights Primary on 6. It's now time for Section 2, the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, a member of each team will face off against a member of the opposite team in science, math, social studies, and English language. Teams have already selected the persons for each face-off and have been reminded of the rules. So, here we go. Face-off 1 is in the category of mathematics, and it's between Nikolai Downer of Mona Heights Primary. Nikolai is up against the captain of Greater Portmore Primary, Captain Mia Lonell Henry. Nikolai, we start with you. A girl has $700 and she spends 30% of the money. How much money does she have left? But time, well, it's either incorrect or the time is up. Either way, the question passes to Captain Mia. Want to try?
Yes, please. $490.
That is correct. Nikolai, what is 88 divided by 0.08?
1,100.
That's right. What is 18 squared minus 15 squared?
99.
That's right. What's the product of 86 and 12? 'Time's up. Captain Mia Lonell, would you like to try?
Yes, please. 1,032.
That is correct. Nikolai, what's the sum of 425, 109, and 137?
671.
That is correct. Captain, we're now over to you. A bag costs $1,200. If a purchaser pays down $300, what percent is unpaid? Question passes to Nikolai.
Yes, please. 75%.
That is correct. Captain, what is 112 divided by 0.16?
18.
That's incorrect. Nikolai, want to try?
Thank you.
It's actually 700. Captain, what is 19 squared minus 16 squared? 'Question passes to Nikolai.
105.
105 is correct. Captain, what's the product of 98 and 9?
882.
That's right. What's the sum of 265, 178, and 209? 'Question passes to Nikolai.
Yes, please. 642.
That's incorrect. It's 652. And that brings us to face-off number 2. It's in the category of science. It's between Amoy Jackson of Mona Heights Primary. Amoy Jackson goes up against Ashani Goldberg of Greater Portmore Primary. Amoy, what's the name for the state of water as a gas?
Vapor.
Or water vapor or steam. That's correct. Amoy, complete this statement correctly by filling in the blank. The transfer of heat energy in liquids and gases due to the upward movement of hotter fluid, which is less dense, is called blank.
Convection.
Convection is right. The pistil of a flower is made up of which three parts?
The stick.
Time's up. Ashani, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's the stigma, style, and ovary. Amoy, what's the name for a single straight root that grows down from a plant?
Taproot.
That's correct. What substance in foods is Benedict's solution used to detect?
Sugar.
That is correct. Ashani, now over to you. What happens to a lake when harmful substances are added to it?
It gets pollution.
That's accepted, or it becomes polluted. That's right. Ashani, complete this statement correctly by filling in the blank. The general name for materials which allow heat to travel through them easily is blank.
Solids.
That's incorrect. Amoy, want to try?
Yes, please. Conductors.
Conductors is correct. Ashani, what's the name of the part of the ovary of a flower which becomes the seed after fertilization?
Oviduct.
That's incorrect. Amoy, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the ovule. Ashani, what's the name for the main part of a plant that holds it upright?
Stem.
That's right. What substance in foods is iodine used to detect?
Starch.
That is correct. That brings us now to our next face-off. It's in the category of English language. It's between Joaquim Edwards of Mona Heights Primary. Joaquim is up against Ruthann Nemhard of Greater Portmore Primary. Joaquim, make the following sentence simpler by changing the subject. The place where the bees are kept is closed.
The aviary is closed.
That's incorrect. Ruthann, want to try?
No, thank you.
The apiary is closed. Joaquim, complete the following proverb. A friend in need
Is a friend indeed.
That's right. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of the word becoming.
Unbecoming.
That's correct. Spell savagery.
SAVAGERY.
That's right. Identify the preposition in the following sentence. The children all went aboard the bus.
Aboard.
Aboard is correct. Ruthann, we're now over to you. Make the following sentence simpler by changing the subject. The person who collects stamps for a hobby is coming. Joaquim, want to try?
No, thank you.
The philatelist is coming. Ruthann, complete the following proverb. A fool and his money.
Are soon parted.
That's right. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of the word decent.
Indecent.
That's right. Spell cavalier.
CAVALAIR.
That's incorrect. Joaquim, want to try?
Yes, please. CAVALIER.
That is correct. Ruthann, identify the preposition in this sentence. The police officer hid among the crowd.
Among.
That is correct. That takes us now to our final face-off. It's in the category of social studies. It's between the captain of Mona Heights Primary, Captain Marco Dean Stewart, is up against Chadwick Clark of Greater Portmore Primary. Captain Marco Dean, we begin with you. In which Jamaican parish is the Rockfort Mineral Bath?
Kingston.
That's right. Cockburn Town is the capital of which group of islands?
Turks and Caicos Islands.
That's right. What's the name for an area of low, flat land, usually large and often along the coast?
Plateau.
That's incorrect. Chadwick, want to try?
Yes, miss. A plain.
Plain is correct. Captain, which parish is to the immediate north of St. Thomas in Jamaica?
Portland.
That's right. Commonwealth countries were former colonies of which country?
Britain.
That's correct. Chadwick, we're now over to you. In which Jamaican parish is the Ian Fleming International Airport?
Trinidad and
Question passes to Captain. Would you like to try?
Yes, please. St. Mary.
St. Mary is correct. Chadwick, Charlotte Amalie is the capital of which group of islands?
British Virgin Islands.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to
Yes,
try?
please. U.S. Virgin Islands.
U.S. Virgin Islands is correct. Chadwick, what's the name for an area of high, flat land with steep slopes?
Plateau.
That is correct. Which parish is to the immediate west of St. Catherine in Jamaica?
Clarendon.
That's right. Who is the head of the Commonwealth?
Queen Elizabeth II.
Or the Queen of England. That is correct. And that final answer brings us to the end of the final face-off. And that's the end of section 2. The scores are Greater Portmore Primary on 16 points and Mona Heights Primary on 26 points. We'll be back after this break.